Well, good day, viewers. Today we got an '07 Super Duty with a 6-liter Power Stroke, and the alternator is failing. It occasionally cuts out, stops charging. This is old school, not computer controlled. So first and foremost, I've removed this plastic piece. If you use a pick tool like this and start at this side, you can pry this release tab and just pull up gently on it at the same time. That gives you, once you get that out of the way, that gives you significantly more room to access the belt. Now if the belt is still on there, Ford provided you with a fairly convenient feature. On the bottom of that tensioner there is a little locking tab that if you can pull on the belt by hand, you can lock the belt in place. I'll show you what that looks like, or I'll try. Well, that didn't work because the little lever underneath there, it's right down underneath here, is supposed to move once you remove the tension off the belt. So I ended up putting the serpentine belt tool 1/2 inch square in there. It's still down there, you see, right in the middle of the screen. Anyways, I'm just going to leave the belt right there because I'm not changing the belt, I'm changing the alternator. So this is the alternator it lists for this application, '07 Super Duty 6-liter VIN code P with a single alternator. And this is what it looks like. And this is what I've got. You see the electrical connector facing up and the plug for the regulator facing up. This one has a plug for the regulator facing inboard. In fact, I actually mounted the alternator upside down because I just looked at the bolt pattern and mounted it the wrong way. So, nevertheless, actually no, I didn't. I mounted it correctly, but the wires are in the wrong spot. So we did find another alternator listed for the vehicle in a different parts information site. I can't remember the part number. I'm waiting for them to send it out. This number doesn't cross. I don't know where. This is a remanufactured alternator, and I was thinking of taking this stud off of here, but this doesn't fit in here. Plus the alternator output wire would be facing inboard and might interfere with something. So we're waiting for a different alternator. So there's the original. There's the second new one. It looks correct. Part number 02-5132. This one is also listed, but the part source, or the parts information site that I was using, didn't list that other part number. So we're going to install this one. So there it's charging. Let's have a look at the diode ripple. Alternator's working now because I got the lights and stuff on. So that looks reasonable. Okay, we'll put this shroud back on.